Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify claim transactions on Etherscan, full guide step by step clearly. To verify claim transactions on Etherscan, first, navigate to the Etherscan website. Once you're on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter your wallet address or the transaction hash related to the claim you want to verify. After entering the information, click the search icon. You will be redirected to the transaction details page. Here, you can see the status of the transaction. Check if the transaction is marked as success or pending. To further investigate, note the block number and timestamp of the transaction. Scroll down to view the transaction details. You will see a breakdown of the transaction, including the sender and receiver addresses. Review the value field to confirm the amount claimed. Look at the gas price and gas used sections to understand the fees involved. If there are any internal transactions, you can find them listed on this page. Click on the Internal TXNS tab if available for more details. If the claim involved a smart contract, you can click the contract address to review its activities. Always check the token tracker to see if the claimed tokens were transferred as expected. For additional verification, you can also track the transaction on a secondary blockchain explorer. This will provide you with a comprehensive overview of the transaction history. Once you have reviewed all pertinent details, you can confidently verify the claim transaction. Make sure to keep this information secure for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.